You can control almost any setting of your phone from your Galaxy Watch. For example, I want to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot on my phone. I will just swipe down on this quick settings panel, tap on this first icon and choose mobile hotspot from this list. And that's it. So in order to set this up, on your Galaxy phone go to settings, choose modes and routines, tap on add mode. Name your mode to any setting that you are adding. For example, I'm adding a Wi-Fi here. Now you will see other actions right here. Just tap it and scroll down to add a new action. Here you can check out all the possible settings that can be added. Let's choose connections and I will be adding Wi-Fi here. Also make sure that you are checking this off option, because whenever I'm tapping on this mode, it will turn off Wi-Fi, and when I tap it again, Wi-Fi will be turned on. Tap on done and now you have added this custom mode to your list. This custom mode will be synchronized with your Galaxy Watch. Swipe down on your quick settings panel and tap on this first icon. Now scroll down and you will see your newly added custom mode. So when I tap on Wi-Fi, this will turn off Wi-Fi. As you can see, Wi-Fi on my phone is turned off, and when I tap it again, Wi-Fi is turned on. So that's how simple and easy it is to control different settings on your phone using modes on your Galaxy Watch. Check it out and share your favorite custom modes that you have made in the comment section. I also have a unique looking design available for giveaway that you can check out from the link down in description. Limited free coupons are available, so just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. It has a really cool looking design where our hour is present here, minutes are here, day, date and month is highlighted in this section. Further, more information is present here with battery percentage. You can also customize this face with different color options. Plus you can hide or show day, date as well as steps if you want a more minimal look. So check out this and don't forget to try out that modes setting on your Galaxy Watch. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.